Hi, I'd like to show you a sample application for Alpha Anywhere called Inspection Solutions. The application is designed to collect data from field workers who are inspecting construction equipment like front-end loaders and dump trucks. Let me show you how it works. When the app opens, there is a blank screen with two tabs at the top, which are Past Inspections and New Inspections. We'll click the New Inspections tab to start collecting data, and we'll begin the process by scanning the equipment we want to inspect. Now, this sample comes with 6 different choices, which you see here on the equipment sheet, and this sheet is included with the application. But of course, you could replace this sample equipment with a list of any data you like. Now, when you click the Scan button, the device's camera is activated, and it looks for a barcode or a QR code. The QR code contains the equipment's identification number, and the app then uses that number to look up the name, make, model, and year of the equipment from its built-in data cache. It also displays a picture of the equipment at the top. The next thing we'll do is enter the location of the equipment by tapping on the Locate button. In this window, we enter the name of the location and let the app fill in the latitude and longitude using the GPS sensor built into the device. Now it's time to start inspecting. Some items can simply be marked pass or fail, like whether the glass and windows are in good condition. And here we use large buttons that are easy to tap. The questions themselves are divided into different panels. The first panel has questions about the cabin of the vehicle, and you can move from panel to panel by swiping left or right. On the next panel, we have a couple of other types of controls. There's the number control that lets you rate the conditions of the paint and decals. And there's also this note control that lets the inspector type in notes or dictate them using the device's built-in speech-to-text capabilities. When you fill in some text, the note changes from gray to yellow to indicate that your text has been saved. By clicking the camera icon, you can take and annotate a picture. There's a magnifying box up at the top that lets you choose where you want to annotate, and you have choices of different colored pens and a highlighter. There's also an eraser if you make a mistake. Once you choose a pen, you just draw right on the picture. You could use a stylus if you want, but it's really not necessary. On the next page, there's a meter indicator, which changes depending on the PSI value you enter. Between 1000 and 2000 PSI, the meter points to the middle. Above or below that point, it points right or left. On the last page, there's a signature capture control, so the inspector can sign off on the report and submit it. Once it's submitted, the report appears on the Past Inspections tab with a blue triangle at the top right, indicating that the record is ready to be synchronized with a back-end database. And from there, you can add your own connector to the database or web server of your choice. The application was designed for a small tablet device. In this case, we're using an 8-inch Android tablet from Acer, but it could easily be modified to fit on a phone as well. If you think you could find this useful, then download the app and give it a try. It uses out-of-the-box Alpha Anywhere functionality with a minimum of hand-coded JavaScript so that it can be easily modified without breaking it. Thanks for watching.